What are you doing? Dada? Dada, again?
Choose the clothes that you will give to the other kids that lost their home.
The flu is here. Why I do vlog. In 2 Peter chapter 1 verse 12. Where did you go?
We buy many fishes. Welcome back to our channel.
How are you na, Achi? Are you still not feeling well or okay na?
I'm still not feeling well, but
Really? Are you still coughing?
yeah, but
Have sipon pa?
club, but I'm
Oh, clogged nose. Kamu yang dua, what's your plan, ha? What is that? Ha? Naku, baka masira ang box.
Bye. Or mommy? Who do you mean, mama? He said last time station, mommy. What? It's happening again? Oh no, sorry. I never noticed. Did you?
Hello guys, it's Mommy Doc Michelle and welcome to the vlog. Good morning. I'm having my breakfast. Actually, kakatapos ko lang mag-devotional or study my Bible. And I'm so excited to share it with you kasi sobrang ganda nung word ko with 2 Peter right now. But before that, it's already, it's Wednesday today. So, madami kaming needy prepare. Hindi na kami nawala ng kuryente, praise God. So, we were able to do our work. Nakapag-work na kami, go back na talaga kami sa work ni Daddy. Then, yung mga kids naman namin, yun yung ano sa kanila. Kasi yung school nila, malaki talaga yung damage or yung natamaan ng bagyo. So, until now, nagre-rebuild pa rin. So, ang mga kids, nag-asynchronous classes sila. So, dito sila sa bahay. Tapos, binibigyan sila ng parang mga activities or yung assignments nila or dapat nilang i-study for different subjects. And for the kids, it's a big adjustment kasi ano kasi sa kanila, it's set sa ulo nila na kapag pupunta ng school, dun sila nag-school, parang it's going to school. Pero kung dito sa bahay, wala, parang doing assignments lang. So, parang yun ang pinag-iisipan ko ngayon, setting up their routines. But it will be difficult kasi tomorrow, I will be going to Manila. So, maiiwan sila dito and I will not be here. Siyempre, hindi ko naman siya ma-depend totally with Daddy kasi sa gabi siya night shift. So, sa morning, talagang sleeping si Daddy. Pero pwede ko naman daw silang iwanan lang para magsiset time sila to do that sa time nagising si Daddy. And me, I will be later preparing sa tawag na to, sa alis ko tomorrow. And honestly, I have that, kung makita nyo kanina sa video, we have a big box. Kasi ko-collect kasi kami from families and friends ng mga old clothes, blankets, lahat ng yun para maibigay dun nga sa naapektuhan ng bagyo. CCF Bacolod here, they already activated yung CCF Tulong Tayo. And sa Saturday yun nga natama siya talaga sa punta ko sa Maynila. Pero our D group, si Daddy yung magli-lead, encourage talaga everyone to help out sa activity and to volunteer. So, I think yun yung gagawin nila sa Sabado. And then, syempre, ako, I need to be with my work. So, I will finish my work lahat-lahat ng yun for today. And isa-settle ko na magdudu kami errands na mga iiwan ko sa kanila dito sa bahay while I'm gone. Magbe-breakfast muna ako. Honestly, masama yung pakiramdam namin. Si Daddy, ganun pa rin. Ako, nag-start na. Kaya natatakot ako kasi magbibiyahe ako, diba? Sobrang kahapon, I think it's flu kasi clogged nose na kami, tapos masakit na yung lalamunan, tapos mabigat na yung katawan, feverish na ako sa kasi Ellie. So, tapos honestly, pati si Ria, yung isang college student ko dito. Kahapon talaga, mabigat na yung katawan namin. So, last night, nung natulog ako, grabe, uminom lang ako ng medicine. Parang dire-diretso na yung sleep ko. Kanina parang late na ako nagising. Buti na lang kasi yung feeling is parang naka-rest well talaga for today. I'm gonna go na kaya. Mommy's gonna work. Gonna work. Asama, young baby. Asama. Obo. Galiad-liad. Makalikat. Kay, play with Achi. Okay? Okay? Play with Pepe. Oh, Pepe! Kai wants to play with you.
What happened here?
Play.
What happened here? Oh, look, oh, it's all in the floor. And why is your Achi crying?
I said sorry, but he didn't forgive me. And he's calling me a baby.
Feifei, Achi said sorry, but you did not forgive Achi?
I did.
Oh, you did. She did, Achi. She forgive you now.
But it's okay.
Ah, you want it? Okay, Feifei, you go there and say, and just say, it's okay, Achi. Why? You're really sick. Okay. Ellie, Feifei, did you know Mommy told you about what happened during the typhoon? That there are other families who lost their home.
Mommy,
so right now,
that time I saw up in Lucky bed, I saw that plant fall down.
yeah, okay. So you see the plant fall down. So it's just the plant, but for other people, they lost their home. It means that their house is all destroyed and it's all gone. So all their things are gone now. They don't have clothes anymore. They don't have toys. They don't have anything. So because the Lord bless us, we will also bless others. So what I want you to do, later after you eat, you will go to your clothes, then you will choose the clothes that you will give to the other kids that lost their home. When you give it to Mommy, we'll put it there in the middle. Mommy will also do that, Daddy will also do that, Manaria will also do that. He will choose something that she can give. Because just one family will be very grateful for that. Okay? Then we will pray for that things that we will give away. Okay? Feifei, Ellie. Okay?
Okay. I'll
Okay.
choose all the books of it. From
Yeah, just some lang. Some that you can give. Okay? So you want also to give books? You will give that? That one? What else pa? Okay, Mommy will check it. You put it in the sala lang, okay?
I'm doing this one because I love it. Not my books. I really need to know. I wanted to say.
Ngayon lang nag-quiet yung bahay kasi pinatulog na ni Daddy yung mga kids. Pinagpahinga na namin kasi talagang feeling ko the flu is here. si Achi Ellie, nagsastart na talaga, mabigat na yung pakiramdam niya. Tapos si Kai naman, nagsisipon na, and also si Feifei. Then go back na naman with work. Yeah, it's after lunch break na. And madami nang naghihintay sa akin sa work. During this week kasi, kahit wala silang school, hindi kami talaga si screen time as a rule here sa bahay namin. Walang screen time kapag school days, parang ganun. So, kanina, yun, sobrang naglalaro lang sila, reading their books, nagpipretend play with their stuffed toys kasi nilabas lahat. Kasi yun nga, nag-declutter kami for the things that we will give as donations dun sa families. As a mother also, I'm trying to teach my kids. Alam ko, minsan kasi madali lang na you are taking care of the household. Siyempre, alam mo kung anong andyan lahat. Tapos you can give away, ito hindi na to ginagamit kasi ikaw yung nagbabantay ng lahat ng yun. But even at this age, mga young kids nyo, they can really join and meron na silang capability or capacity to understand kung anong nangyayari. So, during the typhoon, we are explaining to them, tapos nagpapakita kami ng videos na ito yung nangyayari because we are teaching them to have that grateful heart na despite nagba-brand out, walang ilaw, lahat ng yun, we should be thankful because ito nga, we are safe, lahat ng yun. Every day, tinuturo namin sa kanila. Then we are also encouraging them to pray for others kasi yun yung mga in need. So ngayon, I really want na yung kahit yung pagbibigay, involved din sila. And it's from them. Alam mo yun, ma-develop mo sa kanila yung generosity. 2 Peter, and yung kanina na gusto ko sanang i-share, pero it gives me parang a new light why I do vlog, why I share our life dito sa YouTube. I know I just have this small na audience lang, konti lang nanonood, but even kahit isang tao lang yun, I can urge them or I can encourage them to be much closer to God. Okay na ako doon. Pero kanina, I have this parang bagong, parang a reminder from the Lord. And I also want this na maging purpose din ng vlogging ko. In 2 Peter chapter 1 verse 12, this was Peter speaking. Therefore, I intend always to remind you of these qualities, though you know them and are established in the truth that you have. I think it right as long as I am in this body to stir you up by way of reminder, since I know that the putting off my body will be soon as our Lord Jesus Christ made clear to me. And I will make every effort so that after my departure, you will be able at any time to recall these things. And totoo yan. As Christians, as a follower of Christ, we need to be reminded always. And I love the heart of Peter, and it really, honestly, nag-steer din siya within me na yun, ito nga yung purpose ko. In every effort, I love yung parang the way niya na to remind everyone kung ano yung truth, kung ano ang dapat gawin. Gusto ko to, yung to steer you up by way of reminder. You can steer other people, you can urge them, you can encourage them by reminding them always. Sometimes sabi mo, parang nasabi ko na to, or parang paulit-ulit na lang yan. Pero honestly, there's something in there that the Lord is working. The effort in really reminding other people of what should be done and what is the truth or anong gusto ni Lord, it's a big help na sa kanila. And yung sa verse 15 niya nga, and I will make every effort. Talagang dun ako na parang convict me na sometimes kasi parang, okay, come what may, kung ano na lang mangyayari, kung ano lang, alam naman yun ni Lord, naintindihan niya naman yung sitwasyon ko, ito lang yung akin, ito lang siya. But honestly, if you see this verse and it says, I will make every effort, parang sa akin nga talaga, I'm not doing that. I'm not making every effort to really share the gospel, to let other people, to remind them of everything that is happening right now, of what should be our response, of what is expected of us as a follower of Christ, lahat ng yun. And it helps me. Parang naging wake-up call ko siya. And something like that, a tap on a shoulder, or just like a reminder of all these things. And sobrang laki talaga ng tulong niya. And me, if you're watching my vlog, I want you also to know that. You read your Bible, study 2 Peter, kahit yung chapter 1 lang. And it's so nice, honestly. Honestly, yung tinutok niya dito is like confirming of your calling and your election. So, i-confirm mo, being diligent, doing everything you can, you know that you are called by the Lord, you are elected as a follower of Christ, lahat ng yun. Kasi maganda pa sana yung sa upper part, but I think gusto kong mag-focus doon because I really want that to be the purpose of my vlog, the purpose why I'm talking to people, the purpose why we share our lives. Kasi andun siya. So even with this, with everything that's happening, being compassionate, really helping out, being a salt and light with other people as a follower of Christ. We don't have the best situation right now. Even with our finances, lahat ng yun. But I know, maraming aspects or effort that the Lord has given us that we can bless other people also. And yun din yung challenge ko sa inyo. That's why I'm doing all of this, and it's all for the glory of God. So amazing. But I need to be faithful. I need to work first. I need to be, kailangan mabigay to sa with my work. So after that later, siguro, diretso na kami ni Daddy with our errands.
I found it, Daddy.
Makabitin.
You're still coughing! Kakatapos ko lang mag-meeting. Tapos syempre didiretso ako sa work and everything. So nagulat ako pagkatapos sabi, hala, bakit super quiet ng bahay? As in, super quiet. Walang sound, anyone. Kasi nagulat ako, mag-isa lang pala ako. Pero tingnan nyo kung ano yung sitwasyon ng bahay. Feeling ko lumabas sila and without me knowing kasi nag-present ako while sa meeting. So wala akong may napapansin. Wala naman nag-tap si Daddy sa akin pero kakatawa yung sitwasyon ng bahay namin. Starting there, kasi syempre, wala yung mga college students na assistant ko. So, tambak yan dyan. Tapos, dito kanina sila nag-aaral, sila ni Daddy. Yung laptop niya, kasi nagsusulat siya, nag-story niya. Tapos, nag-check ako dito. Sabi ko, akala ko tulog sila. Wala din. I cannot. Tapos, same here, nung pag-check ko, syempre, dinaanan yan. We are very happy because our kids are very active. Tapos kahit pagpasok ko sa room namin, ganun din. Walang tao. Tapos pag-check ko na sa labas, yun. Wala yung car. Dada! So, I don't know where are they. So, hindi ko alam kung nasaan sila. Wala ding, hindi nag-leave ng note or anything. Pero I still have time to work and parang mag-overtime ako ngayon. So, we'll see. Ang dami. Pero I think the house can wait. Isa yan sa mga na-learn ko. Totoo yan. It's not worth it ma-overwhelm and everything. Kasi it can wait. And that laptop, that kalat is a proof that I have a very, very active family. And later, alam ko, lilinisin niya na lang. Honestly, hindi ako ngayon nag-aanok pa kay Achi. I'm not so parang strict sa kanya ngayon sa paglilinis kasi talagang nagsasabi siya, Mommy, I'm not really feeling well. Masakit ang bigat daw yung katawan niya, yung ulo niya. So, sabi ko, it's okay lang ka. Even with, lahat kami sick dito. Pero yun parang, alam mo yun, kayang-kaya lang or nagsa-start pa lang. So, it's okay. Isa yan sa na-learn ko sa how many years of being a mother. Lahat ng yan is also a blessing from the Lord. So, kaya lang yan mamaya. Lilinisin yan at the right time. For now, I have to finish my work and lahat ng yun. And nag-message kasi yung kapatid ko kasi burn out na naman ulit sa kanila. So, baka dalay niya rin yung baby niya. Dito sila muna magsistay sa bahay. So, wait lang. Where did you go?
We buy many fishes.
Oh, you buy fish!
Many of them.
How many?
I cannot count it.
Oh my, it's so many! Oh!
I cannot believe we have new fishes. Yay! Say yay because we have new fishes.
First, we activate.
Are you feeling well, Hachi? Because we have many fishes?
I'm happy. We got many. There's another fish. There's hi new hampers. Oh, the gray one name. The gray fish name is Nurse Gray.
Nurse Gray? Why?
Honestly, it's already mag-12 midnight na. I'm just editing my vlog na dapat kong i-post tomorrow kasi syempre iiwan ko na to when I go to Manila. Tapos, sobrang na-busy yung I think, since nag-work ako kanina, diretso na naglinis kami ng bahay. Then, dumating din yung sister ko. Tapos, siya prepare na talaga lahat yun. Tapos, isa kasi yung nagpabisi sa akin is the plan for the donation drive. Dumating na yung mga gamit. Ayan, madami na sila. We're so thankful sa lahat ng mga nag-donate. Ganito, this is from my mom. Nag-pack siya ng parang mga utensils. Yan. There's pillows, old clothes, most of it. Tapos mga mattress, blanket, towels. Sobrang dami. Like there's another box there. Yan. May mga iba pang nagpadala ng
cash for the donation. So, kailangan ko siyang i-fix up sana. Kung sino yung families talaga na magbe-benefits. Then, also with the kids, kasi hindi ko talaga alam, nag-fever na sila. Honestly, this always happen. Every time I go to Manila, dun sila parang sasama na yung mga pakiramdam, mag-fever, ganun. So, kanina, I've been inasikaso kong lahat ng mga iiwan ko here sa kanila, the medicines, lahat, how to take care of them. Hindi na sila nakatapos even with their schoolwork kasi sobrang sama na talaga pakiramdam nila. So, yun, isa yun. Tapos ako, yun din, nandun pa rin talaga yung bigat ng katawan ko and even with daddy. So, isa yun siguro na check ko lahat and everything. I don't know. Before this day ends, I will really pray. I need that really to connect again with the Lord and how to handle. I know God is still in control and lahat-lahat ng yun. So, it will be settled. Lahat na yan. So, I have nothing to worry. I just need to depend or have my full trust with the Lord. Yun siya. But, so far, so good. Nag-ready din ako. Syempre, ng gamit ko for tomorrow. And then, I know I need rest. So, I will be resting after this. Tatapusin ko lang yung vlog ko para ma-post ko na. I'm excited to post this one. And I think that's all. I will close my vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this has been a productive day, and I was able also to encourage you everything that happened to us. And don't forget to subscribe and even or follow me in Facebook, Instagram as Mommy Doc Diaries or Mommy Doc Michelle. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Good night.